invites you to see and experience the most significant advance in wafer fabrication deposition systems in 20 years. The Anacon Full Spectrum Chemical Vapor Deposition System. This system performs so much better than any traditional equipment, we've broken all records in the race for increased productivity. The Anacon system design provides the industry's finest CVD films. Add unsurpassed wafer production day in and day out, and you get an unbeatable combination. It's a combination you can optimize for maximum output during peak demand periods, for best yields when demand lessens. With as many as 100 wafers in a single load, the Anacon hourly throughput is very high, not bettered by any other system. But that's only the start. The truly amazing facts on throughput happen when you consider longer time periods, say an 8-hour shift. Suddenly, nothing else comes close. Why? Because the Anacon system needs less time for loading and unloading, equal or less residence time, and less frequent cleaning. When you do clean, the job's done in 10 minutes, not the 3 to 8 hours required for other systems. What you get is record-breaking throughput. Wafers produced in the Anacon system show film thickness variations 2 to 4 times better than competitive systems. What's more, Anacon particulate rates are 8 to 10 times lower than hot wall tubes, even better when compared to atmospheric systems. And with the ability to handle 6-inch wafers with ease, you get yields never before possible. Record-breaking yields. The Anacon system lives up to the name Full Spectrum CVD system as well. This single basic system can handle today's most important films and tomorrow's. Low temperature oxide, undoped oxide, PSG, BPSG, polysilicon, thick and thin film tungsten, and silicides. And many more are being developed. Anacon's secret is the first true isothermal chamber design. Every wafer sees exactly the same temperature. This is a vast improvement over competitive systems which demonstrate wide temperature variations throughout the chamber, a major source of particulate contamination, as well as a deterrent to film quality. The Anacon system's double hemisphere design does more than provide even temperature distribution. For one thing, it permits a unique vertical gas flow pattern that assures wafers see only undepleted virgin gas. Note the even, unencumbered gas flow achieved in the Anacon system. On the other hand, the horizontal layout of the hot wall tube causes gases to flow unevenly at the edge of the wafers and tends to deplete them before reaching the last wafers in the boat. These hot wall tube characteristics limit film uniformity and can play havoc with step coverage, uniformity, and film composition. Anacon films, however, are uniform within 2 to 4% across each wafer, throughout the load, and from load to load. And as you can see, they exhibit exceptional step coverage. So for record-breaking wafer throughputs and yields, think of Anacon, just as 8 of the top 10 U.S. semiconductor companies and the top 3 Japanese firms already have. Anacon, for new directions in CVD.
The beginning of every company consists of just a few people with a great idea.
We'll go over here and take this over here and take it over.
They each do absolutely everything.